Hi teachers, welcome back to 60-Second Lessons, your best source for quick lesson ideas. Today we're introducing fractions using fraction circles. To follow along, here's what you'll need. The Fraction Circles worksheet from SuperTeacher Worksheets, link is in the description. Coloring materials, baggies labeled with students' names. First, have your students color and label each fraction circle on the worksheet. You can use color coding to help them differentiate between the fractions. For example, color the halves blue, the thirds yellow, and the fourths green. This visual aid will help make it easier for students to understand and recognize different fractions. Once the fraction circles are colored and labeled, have your students cut them out and save them in a baggie labeled with their name. These fraction circles will be a handy tool throughout your entire fraction unit. Now let's use the fraction circles to explain equivalent fractions. For example, show that 1/2 is the same as 2/4 by placing the 2/4 pieces on top of the 1/2 pieces. The visual demonstration helps students see that different fractions can represent the same value. Awesome! Thanks for joining us on 60-Second Lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe.